So, ang next natong buhaton is how to get the Z-score. So, to get the Z-score, we actually need the mean and the standard deviation. So, ang formula ana is raw score minus mean divided by standard deviation. So, let's first start in Excel how to get that. So, if wala pa ang variance and standard deviation sa inyong problem, then feel free to do that. So, Z-scores. So, ang formula is equals. Make sure nga sa raw score minus mean, imo siyang ibutang og open and close parenthesis. So, open parenthesis, i-click na to ang raw score nga cell minus. Again, much better i-type ang mean, 48.59, close parenthesis, and then divide. So you click on slash on the keyboard and just type in the standard deviation. Kay, if ato man gong i-highlight ang cell, in my Excel and in most Excel that I had, um, did, that I had use this formula, mo down siya and kanang maguba ang iyang formula so di na siya mao. So much better if you type. So yeah, let's click enter. So that would be our z-score, and most z-score is ang iyahang whole number is usara. So if duha gani na ang whole number or tulo gani na ang whole number, then you might have done something wrong. So again, make sure na ang raw score minus mean is in a parenthesis. Okay. So again, two decimal places, and let's drag it until the very end sa data. Okay. So mao ni siya ang atuang raw scores. Remember, there is a table for raw scores, and kana nga table katutong na ay mean to z-score and percent entail. So it is about percentage. So let's see sa sa SPSS if it has the same z-scores. So how can we get z-scores in SPSS? So let us first highlight the raw scores, Control C, and then let's open SPSS. And then let's paste it, Control V. So in variable view, rename it first year extra version. Again, for the name, bawal ang spaces. So the name should be written in a one word, or you can use underscore as an alternative for the space. Enter. And then for the measure, we will click on scale. Go back to data view, and we already know the mean and the standard deviation, diba? Pero if you want to do that in SPSS, where you get the mean, standard deviation, and the variance here, then feel free to do so. Pero let's focus on the z-scores. So to do that, to actually get z-scores, let's go to transform, compute variable, and let's name the target variable as z-scores. So kaning target variable, this is the name of this column. So since it is the name of this column, and di ba, spaces are considered as illegal character sa katong ni ato ta sa variable view nga ato siyang gi-rename. So in target variable sad, bawal pod ang spaces. Pero we can use underscores as alternatives. So it's up to you. So in the numeric expression, again, mas nindot gamiton ang atong keypad diri sa SPSS instead of your own keyboard. So, let's click the open and close parenthesis. And then let's click extroversion view, which is extroversion view. First year extroversion. Um, let's click the arrow in. This is our raw score, diba? Minus our mean, which is 48.59. Okay. And then divide it by the standard deviation, which is, wait, I forgot, 8.94. 8.94. And, okay. So naay mo pop nga in ani, but it doesn't show the result. Kay, when we click on transform and the compute variable mo show jud ang result sa sheet itself. So here, tapad sa raw score. So negative 1.86 ang first na z-score diri sa SPSS. Let's check if they have the same answer in Excel. And yes, they do. So as you can see, they have the same answers. So that is how you get Z scores in both SPSS and Excel.